Christian, what's happening with the public charge rule? Tell us about.
Well, Fernanda, the Department of State recently confirmed that they received a communication memo from this administration asking consular officers to enforce the public charge rule a little bit more. Now, what does this mean? This rule has always existed. If an officer determines that a person is likely to become a public charge to the United States, they can always deny an immigrant visa under certain categories. Now, there are two main factors that an officer needs to evaluate. One, what is the health condition of the applicant? If the applicant suffers some long or some serious health condition, including mental health problems that require medical care in the United States, the officer is going to evaluate factor number two. What is the person's overall financial picture? Do they have the financial means to be able to care for that condition in the United States or to obtain health care? Health insurance? If the answer is no, then the officer can, within their discretion, deny a visa based on public charge rules.
Okay, and who is affected by this rule?
The people who are the most affected are individuals who are being petitioned by a family member. Now, more than likely, because age is going to be a factor, we are going to be seeing those individuals that are U.S. citizens petitioning for their parents, mom or dad, if they are older, if they have diabetes, if they have high blood pressure. Any of the older individuals are definitely going to be facing a lot more scrutiny when they try to obtain that immigrant visa. Now, the ones that are not affected are individuals that are coming through another part of the law that is not subject to public charge. Those include asylum applicants. If you obtained asylum and you're trying to get your family to come through asylum law, those that obtained a green card through VAWA and they're trying to get their children into the country, and those that obtained perhaps a U or T visa, those types of cases are not subject to public charge.
So this rule affects those that are interviewing at a U.S. consulate, right?
Yes, correct. Now, the people that are going to be interviewing here during the first Trump administration, we did see them implement a new form that people who were in the process of being petitioned and getting their green card here, they had to fill out and they had to disclose a lot of information from their educational background, special skills, special training. That form was removed by the Biden administration. I'm not surprised if we see it coming back in the next couple of months or even weeks. So if you are planning on petitioning for a family member, just be aware that the forms can be shifting and changing pretty soon. So just be aware of that.
Thank you for the information, Christian.